Hi, I'm Matt Pottage and I'd like to introduce these rather unusual and exotic looking air plants to you. Air plants, also known as Tillandsia, originate from Mexico and from South America. They're so named because they use their short, wiry roots to attach themselves to branches, cliff faces, even electricity and telephone lines, rather than rooting into soil. Let's look at cultivation. The most important considerations when cultivating air plants are their requirements for air, light, water, and for warmth. Plants can be placed outside in the summer in the UK to benefit from the brighter conditions, the rainfall, and of course the increased humidity. Return them under glass or bring them indoors in early autumn. The leaves are coated in specialised water-absorbent cells. These are called trichomes, and they are in some species so dense to give the plants quite a silvery, almost frosted-like appearance. These are their primary method of obtaining moisture from rainfall or from fog. Air plants are often grown on twisted wood or shells and rocks to which they are glued for support. Their ornamental appearance and colourful, exotic-looking flowers make them popular plants to grow around the home and in conservatories. As air plants have evolved in sites which have all superior airflow, it's very important to provide a well-ventilated position for plants to remain healthy. Air plants enjoy bright but diffuse light, so provide light shade from direct sunshine, particularly under glass. A position in a south-facing window behind a net curtain is ideal. Another important aspect is watering. From spring until autumn, immerse plants in rainwater, on average 2 to 3 times a week, allowing them to dry off in between. Avoid using tap water as the water contains dissolved sodium bicarbonate, which can precipitate out of the trichomes and block them, preventing the plants from absorbing moisture and nutrients. Misting plants in between watering can help prevent dehydration in warm conditions, but does not provide sufficient moisture alone, so should not be used instead of immersion. Plants should be angled downwards when mounted to allow water to drain out of the centre of the plant, or gently shaken after watering just to dislodge any water droplets. Air plants do best if the temperature does not drop below around 12 degrees and can tolerate a maximum of around 30 degrees if the relative humidity is high. There is always a wonderful selection of air plants and containers on the RHS website.